Good morning students. Welcome back to your chemistry class. So as you know that in the last video lecture you started your chapter 3rd atom and molecules. Now today we'll be continue with this chapter in the article. What is a molecules? Okay. So molecule is what? A molecule is journal a group of atom or more atom that are chemically bonded together and that is tightly held together by the attractive forces. Okay, so what's a molecule? Molecule is a group of atom or two or more atom that is chemically bonded together. Okay, and it is tightly held together by the attractive forces. A molecules can be defined as the smallest particle of an element or a compound that is capable of an independent existence and shows all the properties of that substance. Okay, so a molecules can be defined as a smallest particle of an element or a compound is capable of an independent existence and shows all the properties of that substance. So this is your definition. A molecules may be defined as the smallest particle of an element or a compounds that is capable of an independent existence and shows all the properties of that substance. Atom of the same element or different elements and can join together to form a molecules. Okay, so remember that thing during the molecule formation. What? Atom of the same element or different elements can join together to form a molecules. Next is your molecules of elements. Okay, so during the formation of molecules by the elements, the molecules of an elements are constituted by the same type of atom. Okay, molecules of an elements are constituted by the same type of atoms. So molecules of many elements such as argon, helium, etc. are made up of only one atom of that element. Okay, because this is your novel gases, but this is not the case with most of the non-metal. Okay, for example, a molecule of oxygen consists of two atoms of oxygen and hence it is known as diatomic molecules. Okay, so remember that thing. The molecules of oxygen consist of two atoms. That's why we call as a diatomic molecules and there is the existence of O2. Okay, in nature. If three atoms of oxygen unit into a molecules instead of usual two and we get a O3. Okay, when the three atom of oxygen combine to form a ozone molecules and the number of atom constituting a molecule is known as atomicity. Okay, so what the definition of atomicity? The number of atom constituting a molecule is known as atomicity. That means the number of atom present in a one molecule is called as atomicity. Metals and some other elements such as carbon do not have a simple structure what consists of a very large and indefinite number of atoms that is bonded together. Okay, metal and some other elements such as a carbon do not have a simple structure. Some metals and like your carbon, such elements that is do not have a simple structure but they present in a large number and indefinite number of atom that is bonded together and to form a molecules. So have some examples for atomicity. So you can see that in your book we look at the atomicity of some non-metals. Okay, so in table atomicity of some element is your types of element that is your non-metals. Okay, here we consider your type of non-metal and the name of is your element argon, helium, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, chlorine, phosphorus and sulfur. Okay, so this is your elements and its the atomicity is in this site. Argon is always be present in monatomic, that means they present in your one form. Helium that is also present in one form. Oxygen is present in O2 diatomic. hydrogen is your diatomic H2, nitrogen is your diatomic N2, chlorine is diatomic Cl2, phosphorus is tetra, that means your P4, and sulfur is your polyatomic, that means they present in the S8. Okay students, so this is about your atomicity. Okay, so you will be revise all the students what is a molecule, molecules of elements, and what is your atomicity, and which elements that is present with the different atomicity. Okay students, so I hope you all understand what is molecules and atomicity. In the next video lecture, in the class, will be started your molecules of a compounds. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day student.